Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2018. This is question number 14 from paper 1. This question is from the topic area under the curve, one very simple but important topic for JEE Advanced. Let us see what this question is. A farmer F1 has land in the shape of a triangle with vertices at P 0, 0, Q 1, 1 and R 2, 0. From this land, a neighboring farmer F2 takes away the region which lies between the side PQ and a curve of the form y equal to x power n greater than 1. If the area of the region taken away by the farmer F2 is exactly 30% of the area of triangle PQR, then the value of n is. Now to solve this question, let us first mark these point P 0, 0, Q 1, 1 and R 2, 0. So clearly this line joining PQ will have equation to be y is equal to x because slope is 1 passing through 0, 0. And also this curve y is equal to x power n where n is greater than 1. It should be, like y is equal to x square or y is equal to x cube or y is equal to x power 4. Okay, so it will be lying below y is equal to x between 0 to 1. This can also be seen by as x is between 0 to 1, your value of x power 1 will be greater than x power n because n is greater than 1 and my x is lying between 0 to 1. One very simple observation whenever x takes value between 0 to 1. Okay, now the question says this farmer F2 takes away the region which lies between this side PQ and this curve. So this shaded portion is the region we are talking about and it is 30% of the area of triangle PQR. So first of all, area of this triangle PQR, if we write, it will be half into base PR, which is 2, and height y coordinate of Q, that is 1. So it will be 1 only. Okay, now the shaded region can be written as 0 to 1. Upper curve is x, the lower curve is x power n dx, and that should be equal to 30% of 1, which is 3 by 10. Okay, so if we integrate it, we get x square upon 2 minus x raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and then limits from 0 to 1 is equal to 3 by 10. So we get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon n plus 1 is equal to 3 by 10. So this will give us 1 upon n plus 1 to be equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 10, which comes out to be 2 by 10, so 1 by 5 actually. So we get n to be equal to 4. One very simple question. Okay, and this is all about the solution of this question. Answer is n is equal to 4. I hope you like this solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more questions. Bye.